Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have internet and administrator rights. That matters because sync uses network time and system services. Open Settings, go to Time and Language. Turn Set Time automatically off, wait 2 seconds, then turn it back on. This forces a fresh sync. Make sure the time zone shown is correct or temporarily set it manually. Once done, Windows will attempt an immediate update. These first steps clear simple state issues fast. Next, you fix deeper service and network problems. Open Services. MSC and find Windows Time. Set Startup to automatic delayed start and start the service. This ensures the daemon runs reliably. Then run command prompt as administrator and execute w32tm/resync to trigger synchronization. Note any error codes because they tell you the next move. Also inspect firewall or router rules for UDP port 123. If blocked, allow outbound NTP traffic so Windows can reach time servers. Finally, ensure the configured server is correct. Open Control Panel, Date and Time, Internet Time, change settings to time. Windows, COM and update. If resync still fails, run the configuration command I'll show you to set a manual peer list and force an update, then restart the Windows Time service. Reboot your PC to apply changes. Troubleshooting tip: if time keeps drifting after all this, check the CMOS battery on older machines. A dead battery makes the clock lose time between boots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.